how were they from the time you started to the time you finished? Were you getting faster?
Yeah, well, I was trying to pay attention to the target and load. That was
So and that's a motor skill. And hey, this is the same as remember when you started driving, you got into the car for the first time, and you're like, all right, my mirror, seatbelt. And then now you hop in, you got a sandwich in your mouth, you're on the cell phone with your wife, there's probably a kid hanging off of you somewhere, and you're hopping in and you're like, no problem, you know what I mean? Because you got the mechanics of driving the car down. This is no different running a rifle. Once you're comfortable with the rifle, you're comfortable with the mechanics, you're familiar with it, just like you know how to put your car in gear without thinking about it, it becomes just as easy. It's nothing more than repetition. Does that make sense?